Hello everyone, this is Emmy with the Wauconda Area Public Library here with my trusty assistant, Blue the Fox, and for this week's Spider Take and Make craft, you'll get a pom-pom, a string, some googly eyes, and construction paper. And all you'll need is scissors and a wet glue. For our first step, we're going to cut our legs out of construction paper. You will need 8 of them. And when all 8 are cut, we can go ahead and accordion fold them so they're nice and springy and bouncy. So just folding in and then the opposite way for all 8 legs. As always, we'd love to see your finished take and make craft. Please feel free to share them at Wauconda Area Library on Facebook and Instagram. When our legs are all folded, we can attach them to the bottom of our spider. And then I'm gluing on our 4 googly eyes to give our spider a cute but a little spooky expression. After giving our spider a chance to dry, I'm winding the string into a swirl and gluing it on top of the legs, and then tying the string into a loop. And with that, our pom-pom spider is complete. Thank you so much for joining me and Blue. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe, and we will see you next week with a new Take and Make craft. Bye everyone.